Hi, I'm Bill Duffin and welcome to this edition of the Forensic Update. Lifting a perfect print at a crime scene is next to impossible due to varying pressure and angles. The Sheriff's Office in Sarasota, Florida, however, was recently able to tie a suspect and his prints to a crime using something unique, a cell phone photo. Analysts were able to match a photo of the suspect's hand to his booking prints, and the evidence was so compelling that prosecutors were able to bring charges against him. Now, while fingerprints may get called into question, a study published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences in June found a person's fingerprints do evolve over time, but not enough to impact forensic analysis. Finding new uses for existing technology has always been a staple in forensic science, and a group of researchers from the University of California, Davis, the University of Wisconsin-Madison, and the University of Colorado in Denver used a Raman spectrometer to non-invasively determine the healing stage of a wound. The researchers looked for biochemicals in mice wounds, then compared the type and quantity to a library they established. This could establish not only how long a wound had been infected, for example, but also if treatments are working. The study suggests this approach could eventually be used in real time, in situ biochemical characterization of wounds. Reality seems to be quickly catching up with science fiction. Engineers at the University of Washington have manufactured a machine that can extract DNA from fluid samples in just a few minutes. Traditional methods using a centrifuge can take up to 30 minutes. This technology separates the DNA-sized molecules using an electric field, then attaches them to a microprobe. The machine can be used in both forensic and medical research applications. The tabletop version is retail ready, and the development team says they're working on a handheld device for military and other field needs. NFSTC opened its doors for the 7th annual STEM Tech Tour this month, and 25 students got a hands-on introduction to forensic science. Later this month, we'll be hosting our ROTC Biometric and Forensic Internship. Thanks to all of our sponsors and donors for making this opportunity even better. You can see all of the great pictures from both events on our Facebook page. We're already planning one of the most exciting weeks of the year, National Forensic Science Week. Follow us on our social media channels as we highlight why forensic science matters to just about everyone. We'll be asking for your input when the week kicks off August 9th. Now, before we close out, we want to wish Alistair Ross a happy retirement. Mr. Ross will be stepping down this month as the Director of Australia-New Zealand Policing Advisory Agency National Institute of Forensic Science. For all you've done for the international forensic science community and the Australian and New Zealand Forensic Science Society, we're honored to have been able to work with you. That'll do for this edition of the Forensic Update. From all of us here at NFSTC, I'm Bill Duffin. We'll see you next time.